Back in 1998, the very first ASUS laptop, the P6300, was taken on board the Mir space station. It marked the early beginnings of our In Search of Incredible, which started our journey to inspire the world and explore the unknown. While the ASUS laptop was on board the Mir, the station faced power outages and fires, but the laptop successfully survived all these incidents and lasted 600 days without any malfunctions. The P6300 laptop set a high standard for every subsequent product designed and developed by ASUS. On our way to discovering the incredible, we have tried to stay curious and go beyond. In turn, we have created this very unique laptop, the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition, to commemorate the past and to look towards our future. So, what makes the Zenbook Space Edition so special? Let's start with its design. Themed around space travel, it is engraved with stories and signs from 25 years ago. The codes on the laptop cover and below the keyboard tell a story of Mir from 1998, ad astra per aspera, through hardships to the stars. The entire device is finished in a stunning zero-G titanium color, paying homage to the titanium material widely used in spacecraft construction, reflecting the exciting promise of discovery that space travel affords. Another unique design featured on the Zenbook Space Edition is the external smart display on the lid, ZenVision. This exclusive 3.5-inch OLED monochrome display was inspired by the spaceship portholes, through which cosmonauts viewed the cosmos. ZenVision can be customized by ASUS. Once you open the program and navigate to the exclusive tab, you can access all the functionalities for ZenVision. It not only lets you connect with those around by showing space-themed animations and customized text, but also showcase your personal identity tag, a QR code, or simply the date, time, and battery status. This provides the people around you a window into your personality and latest updates. And there are even more functions on the way. In 1998, the ASUS P6300 laptop impressed everyone with its resilience during its successful 600-day journey on Mir, and we continue to require the best-in-class durability for our Zenbook laptops. The Space Edition has been tested in the harshest conditions, even more so than our normal models, in order to prove its ability to withstand extreme shock vibrations, up to 2000 Hz and severe temperatures from -24 to 61 degrees Celsius. Certified with the US Space Systems Command Standard, the official test for equipment intended for use outside the Earth atmosphere, we are confident that the Zenbook Space Edition is ready to endure the most extreme environments. Let's look at the display. The frameless nano-edge OLED panel has a 92% screen-to-body ratio, which provides an immersive portal to view the digital world. With a 16:10 aspect ratio, 550 nits peak brightness, this 2.8K high-resolution panel captivates the senses. With a 90 Hz refresh rate and 0.2 milliseconds response time, content displayed is silky smooth and precise, which is ideal for playing games, watching a fast-paced action movie, or simply browsing the web. The Pantone-validated screen unleashes endless possibilities for content creation. Covering 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, colors are rich and accurate. With TÜV certification, your eyes are protected from harmful blue light during long productivity sessions. Beside the stunning visuals, the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition has a Dolby Atmos and Harman Kardon certified sound system. The result is crystal clear acoustics at any volume level. Furthermore, the volume-enhancing, distortion-suppressing dual-channel smart amplifier is equipped with a powerful chip that can drive the twin speakers at the maximum volume possible. Creating or listening to audio in your videos, movies, music, or games has never sounded better. The outstanding performance of this special Space Edition is centered around the new top-of-the-line 12th generation Intel Core i9 H-series processor, which can reach 45 watts total TDP. You can breeze through all your projects with ease, such as streaming, editing photos or videos, and gaming. This laptop can handle anything you demand of it without skipping a beat. The high-speed SSD 1TB PCIe with 6500 MB per second read speed, combined with up to 32 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM, will allow you to zip through your documents and transfer large files with ease, so you can create the content you want even faster. For maximum efficiency and cooling, our latest ASUS iSchool thermal technology allows the laptop to stay quiet and cool while facilitating greater performance. Furthermore, it comes with all the I/O ports you need. Connect effortlessly to the latest high-speed peripherals with the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition's 2 ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 USB 3 ports, which also supports fast charging, 4K UHD external displays, and up to 40 Gbps data transfer rates. There is also an HDMI 2.0 port, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, and a microSD card reader. A convenient audio combo jack takes care of all earthbound communications and audio I/O. Charging your Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition is easy with USB-C Easy Charge, which supports a wide range of standard 5 to 20 volt USB-C chargers. Any PD certified charger can be used, including the supplied 100 watt fast charge adapter, or you can top up on the go with airline chargers, portable chargers, or even power banks. The Zenbook 14X OLED also supports up to 3 external displays using the Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI ports. At just 1.4 kilograms light and 15.9 millimeters thin, the ultra-portable Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition is always ready for takeoff. With its 63 watt-hour battery and comprehensive I/O ports, you can connect anywhere, anytime. Let's take a look at the typing experience. With the new ASUS ErgoSense keyboard, this full-size keyboard has a generous key pitch, just like on desktop keyboards, with dish keycaps and 1.4 millimeters key travel to enhance your typing experience. And the anti-fingerprint coating keeps the device clean. The hydrophobic coating applied to our touchpad has a high water contact angle. This means the nanotech-like surface provides smoother feedback for every scrolling movement. It's like touching silk. Another convenient security feature is the fingerprint sensor built into the power button. This allows secure and instantaneous one-touch login with Windows Hello. No need to enter a password. For the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition, we have purposely created a unique unboxing experience for this special edition, including Easter eggs revolving around the theme of space exploration. The spiral design on the silver laptop box is inspired by the wormholes found in space. In addition, the solar system is mapped out for your viewing pleasure. The cutout on the right side provides a window into the brand new ZenVision display. The customized boot-up animation and mesmerizing wallpapers also add on to the space experience. We've included some collectibles as well, such as a limited authenticity card and space-themed stickers. In addition, we have created some puzzles underneath for you to complete that tell the tale of Mir Station. There is also an exclusive laptop sleeve available as an option. Last but not least, with our continued focus on sustainability, you can turn the accessories box into a laptop stand for an ergonomic 23 degrees typing angle. In addition, the box handle can be reused as a cable tie to keep your setup clean and organized. Environmental and packaging waste reduction are a big focus for the Zenbook series, to remind us that even when we aspire to reach for the stars, we must also continue to be conscious of our impact on our planet. Alright, that's basically all for today. To sum it up, the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition is a special space-themed laptop in titanium color with space grip durability and our exclusive ZenVision on the lid. The Space Edition comes with a 14-inch 2.8K 16x10 OLED display and is equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core i9 H-series processor, 63 watt-hour battery, as well as Harman Kardon Dolby Atmos audio, while maintaining an ultra-portable form factor at just 1.4 kilograms. The Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition pays tribute to the past and constantly reminds us to continue exploring the unknown. It not only highlights our unforgettable history, but also our unwavering dedication to innovation, to bring the best to our users.